Student, now next is question number 16. A bag contains 4 identical red balls and 3 identical black balls. So there is a bag that contains 4 red balls and 3 identical black balls. The experiment consists of drawing one ball, then putting it into the bag, again draw a ball. Drawing a ball, what are the possible outcomes of the experiment? So here you are taking a ball, then again putting that ball in the box, again you are drawing the ball. So the sample space for this, suppose you are taking the red ball, you are putting that ball in the bag, then second case also be a red ball. Here balls are identical. Here balls are identical, so there is no chance of R1, R2, R3. So second is red ball, then black ball, then black ball, then red ball, right? And then black ball, again the black ball. So total possible outcomes are 4 because here balls are identical. There is a question number 18. An experiment consists of boy-girl composition of family with 2 children. First part, what is the sample space if we are interested in knowing whether it is a boy or girl in order of their birth? In order of their birth. So in the first case, S equal to first child may be a boy, second also may be a boy, boy girl, girl boy, and girl girl. Boy and girl order of their birth. What is the sample space if we are interested in the number of boys in a family? So second case, number of boys. Suppose there are 2 boys, 1 boy and no boy. This is the sample space in which we are here finding the number of boys in the family. Okay, so 2 boys, then 1 boy and no boy. 0 means no boy. Now, next is question number 90. There are 3 colored dice of red, white and black. 3 dice are placed in a bag. 1 die is drawn at random from the bag and rolled. Its color and the number on the uppermost face is noted. Describe the sample space for this experiment. So student, there are 18 cases. Suppose a red die, then number 1, red die number 2. At the topmost face, there may be any number 1 to 6. And here we are noticing the color and the number at the topmost face. So make the sample space. There is a red die, then number 1. R2, red die number 2, and so on, and R6. Same. There are colors red, white and black. So W1, W2 till W6, then B1 till B6. So total cases NS equal to 80. There are 80 cases. Next is question number 23. Student, you will try rest of the questions. Then question number 23, an experiment consists of rolling a die, then tossing a coin once if the number on the die is even. So here a die is rolled. There are 6 outcomes then tossing a coin once if the number on the die is even. So there are two cases, 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. In this case, we will throw a coin. One coin. If the number on the die is odd, a coin is tossed twice. So there are two coins. Two coins are tossed. Write the sample space for this experiment. So it's an interesting question. S. Sample space. When there is a 1, then two coins are tossed. So there is a number of cases. 1, then head, 1 head tail, 1 tail head, and 1 tail. Similarly, we will write the case for 3. 3 H, and so on. I hope you can complete it. Then 3 tail. When same for 5. 5 H, 5 HT. Then when there is a even number, then 2H, 2T, 4H, 4T, then 6H and 6T. Just count them. It is 4 3 is 12. 4 for the one of the odd number. And then there are 12 plus 6. It is 18 cases. Number of cases are 18 here. So next is exercise 2 and logic event. What is event? Event is the subset of any random experiment or sample space of the random experiment. There is a random experiment. Then suppose E is the event, S is the random experiment. Then event is the subset of S. Event is the subset of S. S is the sample space. Therefore, we can say that event is the subset of the sample space of random experiment. Here S is the sample space of the random experiment. Then event is a subset of it. Now there is a types of the event. Types of event. First, there is a sure event. When the event is sure. Sure event. In that case, E equal to S. And probability for this particular event is 1. Because in this case, E equal to S. Then is impossible event. Impossible event. Here E equal to 5. E equal to 5. And we can say the event is not having any particular element. There is no element in the set of event. Next is simple event. Simple event is the event in which case we are having only the one element in the sample space, or we can say here n equal to 1. Number of element in the set of event is 1. So simple event is having only one element. Then fourth is compound event. Compound event, number of element more than one. Here, any is greater than 1. An event can have more than one sample point. The element of the event are said to be sample point. Okay. Now next is mutually exclusive event. Mutually exclusive event. This is the event, and let us suppose there are two events. E and F are two events. If no part is common in that, or we can say their intersection is 5. E intersection F equal to 5. And N E intersection F equal to 0. Then events are said to be mutually exclusive. Next is the 5, 6. Next is exhaustive event. Exhaustive event. Let us suppose there are more than one event of a sample space. Sample space is S, and this sample space having a number of events. Let E and F are the two events of the sample space. If E union F equal to S equal to X, then these two events are said to be exhaustive event. The mutually exclusive event also can be written as there is an intersection I equal to 1 to N, EI equal to 5. Similarly, exhaustive event can be written as union I equal to 1 to N, EI equal to S, where E1, E2, E3 are the N event of the sample space S. If their union make the S, then events are said to be exhaustive event. Then these both events can be simultaneously. So there is a mutually exclusive and exhaustive event. Mutually exclusive and exhaustive event. Events. If E1, E2 till En are n event of a sample space S. These are n event of the sample space S. And these both the cases are coming simultaneously. Equal to 5 and union I equal to 1 to N, EI equal to S. Make the sample space S. Then events are said to be mutually exclusive and exhaustive.